Hey, what's up, traders? Monday, March 20th, 9:08 a.m. Here are your morning ideas. Okay, guys, welcome to a new week, and we are going to look at the news that's at hand this week. We can see that there's nothing today, but if I switch this to the week, we will be able to see a Fed announcement yesterday. Okay, so we're looking at a FOMC statement on Wednesday and some unemployment claims on Thursday and Friday, some PMI stuff, which is actually the PMI has moved the market a bit. Not long term, but it moves it. It's been moving it lately. So some things to watch out for this week, especially the Fed, of course. That's always a big one because of what Powell said last time he spoke about probably going to raise more than they initially thought. What we have here is, a market that's just like we talked about on Friday was probably ripe for the picking because we were near the bottom of the range here. And then we pushed up towards the middle. Like I said, it's like not all was lost because we were down there. And if you look at the huge picture for the last year, we've been in this balance. We're at 39.60. If you look into more of the intermediate, like the 4 hour, you can definitely see that we're kind of walking lower. Walking value lower, which is fine. Like we banged into this value from a long time ago, so we had a nice like balance area, and then we moved higher, balanced up here, then we started to move down back into areas of previous balance which were untouched. So you could probably draw one here. It doesn't look so good. I'm looking when I'm drawing these guys to look for some nice balance. You don't really have it there. So that looks better. So we have balance, value moving higher. You expect the market to go higher. When it pulls back, you expect these value areas from previous areas to hold. So you see that it comes down to the bottom of value. We again kind of balance there. Then we move lower, and the market just kind of auctions back and forth. So when I'm looking at this, I'm seeing that we need to get back through 39.65 and start to walk up towards 39.90 and then eventually 4,000 and 40.20, which I don't know, guys. I really don't know if when I look at the big picture, then the intermediate picture, then I kind of drill down to this like smaller 15-minute and see what have we done overnight. Well, we dipped down overnight into 3,900 and we've rallied since then. And remember, guys, we're looking at the June contract now. We've rallied kind of since then, and this looks like it's kind of top heavy. So I would expect to see that move towards, off of the open higher towards 39.80 towards the overnight high, which is up here at 39.80, eventually maybe a push to 4,000. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. If I'm looking at the whole picture, big picture, we're in balance. There's nothing to worry about here. Probably move towards the magnet of 40.25. Which is, you can see that where my mouse is hovering right here, 40.25. And then, that kind of lines up with what we have here. Value is moving lower, but if we can breach, 39.65 here off of the open and then we'll probably start to walk into this value. If not, and we turn lower, then you have, these lower areas to look at. First, it would be about 3,900 again, and then all the way down here into like 3,850 area where the value low for the big area. Okay, so that's what we have here today. I'm going to get you guys this because it's already 9:12, and hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.